Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write text on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your YouTube app so you can start adding text and editing your text on your YouTube Shorts. So basically we click on YouTube and then click on the plus icon so you can start creating your shorts. So from here, make sure that you are on the shorts panel and here choose the duration that you would like. Now you can either start creating shorts from scratch or you can start adding uh, from your gallery. So I'm just going to choose this video from the gallery and I'm just going to click on done. Now you will be able to start processing a little bit your shorts. You can start adding filters, flash, etc. You can have some addition to your shorts, etc. I just want to make it as follow. And now you will need just to go to the text. So as you can see, the first one was the text. Now you can start adding text. So from here, I have this text that I have added. Now, if you want to delete it, you will need uh, just click on edit, and basically you will be able to start editing again your text. And you can start changing the fonts, etc. And you will either click on done to finish or you can just click anywhere in the here. And basically if you want to delete it, you will need just to drag and drop it to the trash bin or the trash icon. You leave it and now you will have your text that has been deleted. So basically now after you finish your writing, you will add any colors that you want, any highlighting that you want, and of course, any fonts that you would like. And basically, you would do like that. You click on next, and now you have your text that has been added to your YouTube Shorts. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.